Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I will show you how you can record your screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is located right over here. Now this is the default orientation of all the toggles, so for you, I believe it should be in the same location as it is for me. Now once you find this toggle, we can, I was gonna say hold it and access the settings, but it looks like HUAWEI decided to ditch any kind of settings for our screen recording, so let's just tap on it, because that's all we can do. Select obviously agree, and it gives us the two options right here, so you can record and enable the microphone if that is something that you wanted to do. No settings unfortunately, so there we go. And by default it looks to opt with the mic being enabled by default. So anyway, from here, it automatically starts recording. It looks like there is no countdown as well, so that's a little bit crap. And hopefully it will be recording at a decent resolution and frame rate. So, it's kind of like flicking through different menus, so there is something to show off once I'm gonna show the video. Yeah, I guess that's enough. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna click right here. This will automatically save it, as you can see. And from here, we can navigate to our gallery. As you can see, it's going to be visible right over here in our photos, but we can also navigate into albums, and it will be under screenshots. You can see it right here as well. Now, as you can see, the overlay that was right here is not visible in the recording, so don't worry about that one. And everything else that you are doing on the phone is being recorded. So anyway, that is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.